Hello, dear students. This is your fourth practical of software testing. In this practical, you need to perform manual testing on any e-commerce website or any e-commerce application. You can use any application like Amazon, Flipkart, or any e-commerce application. Log in with your proper credentials. After login, after login, I have already prepared this test cases. So for home page, there are two test cases. For search option, there are five test cases. For product detail page, there are more test cases for shopping cart and payment option. Okay, so there are many test cases. I'm going to apply first auto scroll, that is it is going to auto scroll on home page or not. So I am applying this test case on on the particular application. So I am using Amazon for this. uh, so I have already installed Amazon. Here auto scroll option is shown here. So I need to check either the auto scroll option is directly come while visiting the application or not. So it is already enabled when I'm open that application. So here you need to prepare a bug report. In bug report, the first test case ID is test case ID TC underscore 001, and the outline number is 01. So for it is belongs to test object home page. So what is the test description? Check the auto scroll option. I need to check the auto scroll option. So what are the my steps? Visit home page of e-commerce application, any application, okay, or website, and check auto scroll option available on home page or not. So here I am not passing any test data, that's why it is not applicable here. Expected result is what I am expecting, that auto scroll option must be present in that particular e-commerce application. Okay, while when I am visiting the Amazon application on my mobile, so I have seen that the auto scroll option for particular products are already available there. So my expected result is achieve. My expected result and actual result is matched. That's why the test cases is passed. So what is the next test case? If there is a auto scroll option, we need to check what interval will the image will be refreshed. Okay, so we need to check the interval. Okay, so I am going to the application. So this is the image. Within a 2 seconds it will be scrolled, auto scroll, right? So here in bug report, so here the test case ID is TC underscore 001.02. My test object is home page. I need to check the interval of auto scroll option. Okay, what are the steps I have performed? Check auto scroll option available on homepage or not. If it is available, use timer to count auto scroll interval. So I have used the timer, and by using the timer, I have check the timing of interval. The image must auto scroll with the interval of 2 seconds. It is my expected result, and actual result is also, it will be scrolled within a 2 seconds only. My expected result and actual result is matched. That's why the test case is passed. So you need to apply all of these test cases on Amazon application. You need to perform apply it on Amazon application. You need to perform different tasks over here, and after that you need to prepare a bug report. Log your different test cases below this second test case. Complete it and update your sheet, and forward me on my personal WhatsApp number in personal chat. Okay, so this is enough with this video. Thank you.